Hello, so today is going to be a fun, quick review with swatches of these beautiful guys right here, which are the Jordana holographic lip glosses. They're not holographic, they've just got a crap ton of glitter in them, but one of the awesome things is they retail for $4.99. I found them in Walgreens, so they may still have them at yours. They have them on like the front displays, how they'll do the like special product front displays. That's where I found these guys anyways, but they do still also have them on the Jordana website, and they are awesome. So just to kind of break it down a little bit, this is the packaging. It's great you have a clear component so you can see what the product actually looks like. And then you have a nice screw top. I love the applicator. It is the doe foot applicator that has like, I don't know if it'll focus, but it's the doe foot applicator that's got the little hook on it, which means it like hugs your lips really, really, really nicely. So application for them is super easy. And when you first look at them, I know that the colors can look a little bit intimidating, but my favorite one is actually this like blue guy right here. And it's crazy because when you first put it on, it's like, oh goodness, like purple or blue or whatever color. But then you swipe it over the whole lip and the intensity of that color lessens, and you just get like what you see on my lips right now. You just get this beautiful, nice sheen to the lips that's very, very, very beautiful and wet looking. And when you put it on, it doesn't disrupt the lipstick underneath too much. Like with everything, when you put a lip gloss on top of a lipstick, it's going to shift or maybe remove a tiny bit of product, but it went over my lipstick incredibly nicely. I've worn these guys a couple of times. They last a very long time throughout the day. They don't have like an obnoxious tacky feel to them where you ever feel like your lips are being stuck together or anything like that. And even though the colors on these look intense, they really just add more of maybe like a tint or sheen. I'm sure that you could build them up and really pack on a crap ton of product if you wanted like the orange glitter or blue glitter. I probably wouldn't want to do that though, because I feel like just with any product in general, the more you layer it up, the ickier it's going to get, especially with the gloss for me anyways. But I absolutely love these guys. So all of the colors that I have, there's 6 colors in total. There's a fuchsia one that I wasn't able to pick up, but there is this purple one, then this orange one that has a lot of like pretty pink in it. Then there's an actual pink one, so this guy right here. And then we've got 2 more that I've got, which are the purple and white, which are super, super pretty. Oof. I love these so much, and I feel like this white one right here is going to be essentially like a gorgeous clear gloss where you could throw it over like any lipstick and it'll just look beautiful. So I love these, and they're great as far as scent wise. They do have a scent to them, a very like cosmetic scent. How to describe it though, it's sweet with like, I guess vanilla would be the closest thing, kind of like a sweet fake vanilla. When you put it on your lips though, you don't smell it or anything like that. So yeah, that kind of covers all of the bases. Absolutely love these guys. I'm gonna go ahead and swing you over into the swatches. For the swatches, I am going to do them on my naked lips, which have some pigment to them, but just so you can kind of get the best judge of a color, I won't put a lipstick underneath them. So yeah, to the swatches. So those were these swatches. As you can see, even though the colors look very bright, all of these can almost look very, very similar on the lip. It's really more of a subtle shift in tone, as well as the color of the glitter that's going to add like a super, super subtle look to your, I almost said eyeshadow look, to your lip look though, but I love these guys. But yep, I hope that you found this helpful, and if you did, you know what to do down there. If you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, and if you really liked it, I hope that you subscribe, and I get to see you in the next video. Have a good day, night, evening, wherever you are, and mwah, goodbye.